Skin contact with concentrated chemical agents can cause cell death. This is what skin damaged by concentrated sulfuric acid looks like. And this is what skin treated with Anphoterol solution looks like after it has been affected by the same chemical agent. To demonstrate the efficacy of Anphoterol, we will begin by applying 0.5 milliliters of 98% concentrated sulfuric acid to a piece of pig skin, which is used because of its similarity to human skin. We can see how the acid begins to damage the different layers of the skin, destroying them until it causes cell necrosis. Then, on another piece of skin, we will apply the same amount of sulfuric acid and wait 30 seconds, simulating the reaction time of an operator to apply a 100 milliliter device with Anphoterol solution, simulating the reaction of the operator carrying his device together with his tactical case to a burn. Here, you can see the device with its case before the application. Important to highlight and show the way the solution is expelled, which has a nebulized effect, allowing its simultaneous application on skin and eyes. Our recommendation is to use the Anphoterol solution within 60 seconds of the onset of the chemical emergency to prevent the agent from penetrating the skin or eyes. Prior to the existence of amphoteric showers, water was applied to treat this damage and had to be continuously irrigated for 20 to 30 minutes to eliminate the agent in question by mechanical dragging, using more than 1,000 liters of this resource. Compared to water, Anphoterol stops the penetration of the chemical into the tissues and neutralizes it much more quickly and effectively, using a low wash volume. This is due to the hypertonic, amphoteric, and chelating properties of the Anphoterol solution. Water, being hypotonic in relation to the human body, begins to neutralize caustic agents after 20 minutes of continuous irrigation, mainly by dilution. It should not be forgotten that the hypotonicity of water favors the dragging of the chemical into the organism, while the hypertonicity of Anphoterol helps to extract it. Anphoterol, due to its great buffer effect, manages to neutralize and level to a physiological pH in a few seconds upon contact with the chemical. Being amphoteric allows it to act as an acid or base, and its chelating property encapsulates toxic elements that could generate serious systemic effects. If we compare the use of Anphoterol versus water, we will notice that the latter has a hypotonic behavior, which may favor the entry of the agent into the affected area. Anphoterol solution, on the other hand, has three properties. The hypertonic property of the Anphoterol solution allows a decontamination of the chemical agent, as it generates a flow opposite to the penetration of the chemical agent into the affected area. The amphoteric property allows a correct neutralization of the area, reaching the physiological pH of our skin and/or eyes. The chelating property helps us to inhibit any toxicity present in the components of the chemical agent. To understand the neutralizing action of Anphoterol, we return to the previous experiment, where we measure the pH reached in both pieces by means of colorimetric measuring strips, where it is shown that the untreated skin registers a pH value out of range due to the high degree of acidity presented by the chemical substance. The test with the measuring strips is shown, resulting in high degrees of acidity. On the other hand, in the skin treated with Anphoterol, the strips indicate a pH value of 7, reaching the physiological pH range in a matter of seconds.